My name is Saeed Ghanbari. I was a PhD student at the University of Saskatchewan. I graduated last year. I'm currently working on my startup company in Ontario. I also have a day job at a company here. I'm specializing on membrane separation, modeling of membranes, and also two-dimensional nanomaterials. My PhD project was generally focused on gas separation, specifically on natural gas dehydration. It's basically removing moisture from natural gas. So the natural gas that we use in our houses, it's dry. So this project was focused on separating moisture from natural gas using a near process and environmentally friendly materials. This project is important because human natural gas causes a lot of technical problems such as pipeline corrosions and also lower heating value. So it's very important to dehydrate natural gas before pumping it from the reservoirs into the main pipelines and to the consumers. So the innovative aspect of this project is first, this project uses renewable materials from agricultural waste. We actually converting waste into very useful materials. And second, that this process has a lower negative impacts on the environment. And third, this project is, in terms of economics, it's better than the applied process in industry. So in this project, we had a lot of sensors and control valves. So I used the RTD Phidget to read the temperatures. Of course, temperature control is very important in any process in industry. And I used the solid state relays to control the solenoid valves, which control the flow into the absorption columns and in different sections of the process. And finally, I used the stepper Phidget to control the stepper motors for the control valves. Of course, control of flow is a critical part of any process in industry. I decided to use Phidgets because they're very easy to use. You don't need to do a lot of programming. The module is very compact and easy to connect and use. There are, of course, other commercial products in the market, but some of them require software for programming, and it takes a lot of time. But Phidgets are basically very easy to use, reliable, and excellent. Well, when I started my PhD project, I built a prototype system, which wasn't fully automated. And sometimes when I was running a long experiments, I had to stay in the lab and babysit the device and change the temperature, change the flow, and it wasn't fun. So I came up with an idea to automate the system, write a PID controller program to automate the system. Then I can leave the system to operate safely while I'll do other things, have fun with my friends, or do some other research or studies. So that was both fun, and also this coding and process automation enhanced the quality of my results instead of just doing it manual by hand. So that was one thing that I really liked about coding and process automation. We've been actually looking for commercial partners to do a pilot scale study and eventually sell the license to some of the companies that might benefit from this innovation.